Let's start our today's lecture. Let's start our today's lecture. Before starting the lecture, there are some rules for the online class that be punctual and ready. Mute your microphones when you are not speaking. Raise your virtual hands to speak when you need to speak. Keep your cameras on and stay focused. Okay, in the previous lecture, we have already studied the rational numbers, the rules to find the rational numbers, the number system. I need to know, I have given you some home task for the previous lecture. Regarding the previous lecture, that the home task was you need to tell me the real life examples of the rational numbers. Now I am going to ask from you one by one the real life examples of the rational numbers. Yes, starting from Hasib. Taha Hassan, just a second, beta.
यस मैम
Hasib,
जी
yes. What was the home task yesterday?
मैम एक आपने चैलेंज दिया था और आपने क्या दिया था
That was the home task. You have to tell me the rational numbers real life examples.
ओके मैम एक केक हो सकता है
Yes,
पिज्ज़ा भी हो सकता है
yes. Okay, now I am coming towards Taha Hassan. Taha. Taha Hassan. Yes. You were raising your hand.
Ma'am, yesterday I was absent because of network issue.
Okay, but I have uploaded the recorded lecture. Yes, Minahil Khalid.
Okay, ma'am.
Minahil Khalid. Rafi, just a second. I'm coming to you. Minahil. Minahil. Any real life example related to rational numbers? Yes, Anaya.
Ma'am, to measure spices.
Measure the spices. Yes, Rafe.
मैम चाय कॉफी और मिल्क शेक जैसे
Chai, coffee. How you can relate this?
मैम जैसे शुगर पोर्शंस
Okay,
और
right.
मैम
Okay, right. Anyone else? Please raise your hands. Imaz.
Ma'am, temperature.
Temperature. Okay, nice. Anyone else? Yes, Hasib.
मैम जैसे राफे ने बताया कि कॉफ़ी चाय और मिल्क शेक्स हो सकते हैं वो लीटर्स में होते हैं
Taha Khuram. Taha Khuram. Taha, unmute yourself. Okay, Javeria Altaf.
Ma'am, to pay taxes and calculate rates on properties.
Yes. Who else is raising the hand? Yes, Imaz.
मैम ताहा ने चैट में लिखी है एग्जांपल उसका
Okay.
माइक नहीं चल रहा
Okay, nice. Okay, let's get back to today's lecture. We are discussing the we were discussing the rational numbers. There was a rule to find the rational number. The rule was very simple. I told you that the number should be in a fraction form. The first condition, the number should be in a fractional form, plus the number's denominator cannot be equal to 0, right? If the denominator number is 0, if the denominator is 0, then that number is not a rational number. Clear? Now we have studied the number system. The number system was starting from the natural numbers, then whole numbers, then the integers, then rational numbers, then irrational numbers, and after that everything comes in between the real numbers, right? We have studied this example as well, where p fractional q means that this q cannot be equal to 0. Then the next example was the measuring spoons, the measuring cups. Now we are discussing some equivalent fractions. Do you have any idea about equivalent fractions? Just raise your hands. Oh, Imaz. Yes, Imaz.
Ma'am, equivalent fractions are those fractions that are like shown, like that are written in different types, like different fractions, but when you like cancel them out or take out percentage, they are same.
They are same, yes. Anyone else who can add something up to the Imaz answer? Anyone else? Girls from the girl side, please. What are equivalent fractions? What are equivalent fractions? Anyone from the girl side? Just raise your hands. No one? Umair Hussain, can you tell me what are equivalent fractions?
No, ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know? Why?
No.
Ishal Akib. Ishal, unmute yourself. What are equivalent fractions?
Ma'am, equivalent fractions are those that are equal.
That are
और
equal.
वो fractions होती है जिनकी quantity same होती है.
Their quantities are same. Okay, very nice. Okay, coming back towards this topic, that is equivalent fraction. Why I am talking about the equivalent fraction? The point is that anything comes in a fractional form is known as a rational number, right? If I will write 10 divide 5 and I will write 2 by 1, can they both be equal? Can they both be equal? Yes, Ishal, you are nodding your head.
Yes, ma'am, they can.
They can, yes. Anyone else who is against this, that they cannot be equal? Anyone? No one. Okay, but the point is that if I cut both the fractions, if I simplified both the fractions, the answer will be 2 by 1. It means that whether I will write 10 by 5 or else I will write 2 by 1, they both must be equal, right? Okay, now if I will write 2 by 5 and 3 by 5, can they both be equal? 2 by 5 and 3 by 5, can they both be equal? Can they both be equal? Can they both be equal? No, they cannot be equal. If I will say that 2 by 5 is less than 3 by 5, how I am saying that 2 by 5 is less than 3 by 5? If the denominators are same, if the denominators are same, we only see the numerators. Yes, Imaz. Yes, Imaz.
मैम फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे एक पिज़्ज़ा है उसके 5 स्लाइसेस हैं, उनमें से 2 आपने एक साइड पे कर दिए, 3 आपने एक साइड पे कर दी, तो ऑब्वियसली 3 वाले ज़्यादा हैं और 2 वाले कम हैं.
Exactly. This is the real life example related to less than and greater than concept of the like fractions. They are the like fractions because the denominators were same, right? Okay, if I'm talking about the equal fractions, this balancing means that the fractions are equal. Can anyone tell me how 6 by 10 is equal to 3 by 5? If I cut 6 by 10 to 3, it will be 3 by 5. This means that whether I will write 3 by 5 or I will write 6 by 10, they both are rational numbers. Secondly, they both are equal, right? Is this clear? Is this concept is clear? Okay, now coming towards the next one, that is a number line. Anyone? Zainab Irfan, please don't do this or else I will have to remove you from the meeting. Number system may, in number system, we are actually presenting the numbers or we are actually representing the numbers on a number line. Do you have any idea about the number line? Do you have any idea about the number line? Do you have any idea, anyone? What is a number line? Can you tell me what is a number line? I know you people knew it, but no one is going to tell me what is the number line. Yes, Ishal Akib. Yes, Ishal.
Yes, ma'am. A number line is a straight line used to show numbers in order. It has number placed at equal distances starting from 0 in the middle. Numbers to right of 0 are positive. For example, 1, 2, 3. And numbers to the left of 0 are negative. -1, -2, -3.
Exactly. There is a number line. If I am talking about a number line, I must say that this number line can be the representation of a number. This is a number line, right? In between the number line, I have written 0. Now I have to block this number line, that it means that this number line is ending here and this number line from the right is ending here. Now what I have to do, I have to place the numbers. How to write the numbers? I have to write the numbers on equal distance. If I am leaving a space of 5 units, I will have to write 1 over here. Then again 5 spaces, I will have to write 2 over here. Same is the case on the right hand side of the bar. We have to write the positive numbers, and on the left side I have to write the negative numbers but of equal distance. If the line space between 0 and 1 is 5 units, same line spacing will be over here and same line spacing will be over here, right? But now I need to know that where this one stands on a number line. What I will do, I will just mark the flag over here. I will say that the one belongs to this way. In this way, one is over here on the number line, right? But if I'm talking about the fractional form, if I will write 1 by 2, then how I have to represent this 1 by 2 on a number line? The concept is very simple. Just look at that. I will have to draw a number line. In between, I will have to write 0, right? What is the denominator over here? The denominator is 2. I have to leave the gap of 2 units. I have to leave the gap of 2 units, 1 and 2, 2 units gap, and here I will write 1. 2 units gap and I will write 2. 2 units gap and I will write 3. Same, 2 units I will write -1. 2 unit space I will write -2. Is this clear to everyone? Is this concept is clear? If not, then please raise your hands. If not, then please raise your hands. I guess this is clear. Okay. Yes, Yadnik.
Ma'am, I can't understand this.
Okay. Now listen to me. Do not mute yourself. Just listen to me. This
Okay.
is the number line, right?
Yes.
This is the number line. Okay, please don't do this or else I will have to remove you from the meeting. This is the number line, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yadnik? Beta, the fractional form is 1 by 2,
Yes.
right? What is the denominator in the fraction? That is 2,
Yes.
right? I have to draw a number line with this specific gap, first of all.
Yes.
The denominator is 2. Whatever the denominator is, you have to leave those spaces. Those spaces will be left. Starting from the 0, you have to leave 2 spaces. That is the 1 space.
Yes, ma'am.
And on the next space, second space, you have to write 1. Clear?
Yes.
Then again, after 1, 1 and 2 spaces, we have to write 2. After 2, 1 and 2 places, we have to write 3. Is
3.
this clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, same is the case. 2 spaces from 0 to -1 and from -1 to -2, 2 places. Right?
Yes,
The line
ma'am.
space of 2. Now I have to mark 1 by 2 on this graph. What is the numerator? 1.
1.
Starting from the 0, where is 1? Only 1. This is 1,
Yes.
not this one. Only 1 unit. This will be 1 over 2. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this clear? Is this clear to
Yes, ma'am.
everyone that how I mark the fractional form on the number line? How I have marked the fractional form on the number line? Okay, now moving towards the next one, that is just your exercise. I request you all to please open your books, exercise 2A. I request you all to please open your books, exercise 2A. I request you all to open your books, exercise 2A, page number 20th. Open your books, exercise 2A, page number 20th. We have to start the exercise with the basic concept, which of the following are rational numbers. One more thing, Beta, if the number is 2, this is the integer, right? This is the integer. This number can be a rational number. How? If I mark 1 in the denominator, this fraction cannot give us the wrong answer. 2 by 1 means the answer is actually 2. It means that 2 by 1 is in a fractional form. It will become a rational number. Any integer can become a rational number. Now, this 3 is a rational number. 3 by 0. Can 3 by 0 is a rational number? Can 3 by 0 is a rational number? No, this is not a rational. Yes, Akib. Yes, Akib. Akib.
Ma'am, अगला वाला 0/3 is not a natural number.
I haven't asked you the question part number 5. I am just asking about the part number 3. 3 by 0 is not a rational number. I am just putting across. 0 minus 0 by 3. Can anyone tell me that is this a rational number? Anyone who can tell me is this a rational number? Ishal? Yes, Ishal.
Ma'am, part 4?
Part number 5.
Ma'am, this is a rational number since the 0 is not the denominator.
This is a rational number. Yes, you are absolutely right. If the 0 will be in the denominator, then we will say that this is not a rational number. 0 by 0. That is not a rational number. 3 by 1 is a rational number. minus 3 by 1 is a rational number, and minus 3 by minus 1 is also a rational number. Yetnik, do you get this concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nice. Now, the next question is, write down the following rational numbers as integers. Yes, Rafe?
मैम
Yes.
मैम ये आखिरी वाला आपने रैशनल लिखा है?
Yes, this is rational. Okay. Now, I told you that every integer can become a rational number, right? But if I will say that this is a rational number, convert it into an integer, what I will do, I will multiply it with 1 and 1 will be cancelled out. The answer will be 2. This is very simple. Is this clear? Again, minus 5 by 1, when multiply with 1, it will be minus 5. Is this clear to everyone? Right? Minus 9 by 1 is the same case. You can solve it out. The answer will be minus 9. Anyone who can tell me the answer of this part? Just raise your hands. Only Ishal is raising the hands. Yes, Ishal. Yes. Okay. Ahmed Rakan. Ahmed Rakan.
मैम
Yes.
मैम माइनस माइनस से कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो 21 और 1 21 आंसर
21 will be the answer. Yes, Imaz.
Ma'am, 21 will be the answer.
21 will be the answer. Yes. Everyone have the right answers that 21 is the right answer. Minus and minus will cut it out. It will be 21. So today we have discussed the rational numbers, irrational numbers and the number line. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will be discussing how to make the denominator positive. For that, we need the number line. That's why I have given you the concept of number line. For today's lecture, I'm going to sign it out. If you have any query related to the topic, you can ask me anytime. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.